Happy first birthday, Happy first birthday, Sky!
Ikay, happy birthday. Sabi ko kung asabay kong tigo, spoiled. Nung sabi lagi. Pero basta grande kayo ito, alegria, dali ko nanay, kung deligat preso, Ikay. Pero dapat good boy. Happy birthday, Ikay. Love kayo si nanay. Mwah!
It's a beautiful life. All the little things, all the golden dreams. I just wanna be in a beautiful life. Laughter, even in the pouring rain. All the joy and all the pain. Every human moment, all the same. Take it in. It's a beautiful.
Una-una, si Sky, siyempre, duty but hindi kami na-expect na ansina na de Alegre pagka-baby. So, dahil mga panto months pa lang le, ito, mga lang. Pero akal mga 6 months siya le, kasali adisu akal pagka-Alegre bata, un rato lang le tan Alegre, maski duty lang, mas tan prepare ele, na tahuga-huga, le tanto yuron, ansina.
Si Sky kasi, sir, since yan nasa kunele, parang nuwele ka na mo dali hardship. Ano gayot, parang alibyo lang ba, sir? Parang dele yoron, dele kung tan lagnat man len, dele akal parang buska le di si Resuelio. As in, over kung ano, tabla mga kapitbahay, siya baka mo bata ali. Kasi doon ba gayot, doon yung dele yoron. Happy baby, gatle.
Every goodbye, all the mountains, the adventures, every moment to remember. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful.
Happy first birthday, Kai. Mommy, pati si Daddy, love that to hear me. Be safe. Thank you guys na todo. I love you.
Always, be thankful to God na kosa kita chene, kosa kita nuway. Amo lang, Kel. Basta, taki lang si Mami and Daddy. Kung kosa to kere, mag-support kami. Kung hindi kami kaya, prepura kami. Happy birthday, Sky, anak. We love you. Love you.
Every sunrise, every new breath, every goodbye, all the mountains, the adventures, every